Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, March 13, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, March 13, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong March 13, 2025 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, March 13, 2025. Here are the two nice jackpot estimates of Lotto 642, Super Lotto 649 for March 13, 2025 Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, March 13, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.